When entertaining, a party is not a party without mood lighting. It needs to feel comfortable and inviting, different from the everyday. Let's start with lighting the dining table. First up, the elegant look. All glass, traditional, very sleek, yet using different size candle holders adds a unique twist. Second, let's flip it to more rustic, more casual and warm. All wooden candle holders. Again, all sizes, all different kinds of wood looks, including a cute little sleeping cat. Finally, something funky. A tree sculpture with hanging votives. Different, unexpected, and so cool looking. I love it. And don't be shy about spreading this to other areas. Try never using your overhead lights for a party. Use lamps and let your home flicker with soft candlelight everywhere.